Alright, hi everyone, welcome. Today Daniel is here. He's going to answer my questions. Alright, well Daniel, please introduce yourself first.
Hi, my name is Daniel, my last name is Siyapush, and I believe to speaking English to Amyon.
With Amnion.
With Amyon.
Very good. And today is your first session, second session, third session?
And today is second
Today
session.
is your second session, yes, very good. And tell me, is it possible to say have a breakfast or have breakfast?
Have breakfast.
Why?
Because breakfast is not countable. It's uncountable.
Uncountable, yes.
Yes, and you don't say have a breakfast.
Very good. Speaking English is important for me, or speak English is very important?
Speaking English for important.
Okay,
It's very
when
important.
you order someone, do that. How do you say? You say go or going?
Going.
No. You want to say
Go.
go, yes? Go.
Not ing.
Or not ing, not without ing. Okay, explain to me motivate. What does it mean? What does motivate mean?
Motivate me is, for example,
Motivate. For example, my parents motivate me. What does motivate mean?
motivate me. For example, motivate me or encourage.
Encourage.
Me
Very good.
in
Very good.
English.
Encourage. My parents encourage me to
Speaking English.
speak English. How about your teacher? Does your teacher encourage you or he discourage you?
My teacher is encouraged me.
Encourage me. And opposite encourage is discourage.
Discouraged.
Discourage. Encourage. Discourage. Motivate. Discourage. Very good. What's the difference tasteful and tasty?
Tasty is that you are good cooking.
Oh.
After that.
Explain to students about your skill. What are you good at? Listen to him. He's really good at.
Yes, I'm good at in the cooking with my mom. My mom is cooking and I see them and I
You just see and learn.
see and learn.
It's too hard to cook.
No.
Is that hard?
No.
And how long did it take to learn it? 1 month, 2 months? How long did it take to
No,
learn?
very
Quickly,
easy.
yeah? You learn cooking very
Yes.
quickly. And now do you cook at home or not?
Sometimes I cook it.
Cuisine means? Cuisine.
Is making cooking.
Oh, cooking, yes. Cuisine or
Cuisine.
cooking. It's good, very good. And we say make laundry or do laundry?
Doing laundry.
Good in cooking or good at cooking?
Good at cooking.
And when I say I want to learn English step by step, what does it mean step by step?
Step by step is patiently.
Patiently.
Go on, baby.
Very good. And please pronounce this louder.
Wherever, whoever, wherever, whichever,
Whatever. Very good. Whatever. And do you watch movies with Persian subtitle or English subtitle?
English subtitle.
It's good. Very. And gorgeous we use for boys or girls?
For girls.
Gorgeous means
Beautiful.
very beautiful.
Very
Very, very beautiful. That's great. That's perfect. And we say iron or iron.
Iron.
Please explain to students about household chores.
Household chores, she or he work in the house of some person.
Okay, give an example. What kind of household chores do we have?
Okay, household chores is vacuum the floor,
Vacuuming
or
floor,
mops the floor,
mops the floor.
and laundry.
No, this one.
Dust.
Ironing, dusting. Yes, very
dusting.
good. And dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Washing the dishes, very good. And how about you? Are you a messy boy or no? You're very clean. You try to keep the house in tip-top shape.
I'm messy boy.
You're a messy boy.
Sometimes I'm cleaning.
And does your mom do everything or no? She has a housekeeper. Do you have a housekeeper?
Housekeeper.
Housekeeper means a person who go to home and clean everywhere.
No.
Your mom do everything.
Sometimes
Yes?
housekeeper.
Wow. But most of the time your mom does everything. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear Daniel. Daniel's is today third session or second session?
Second session.
Yeah, it's second sessions. But of course, he had a good English background. but I'm going to teach him to speak English perfectly. You guys, you can do it. Don't worry. And first of all, grammar is not important. I'll try to help him speak English fluently. Fluently is very important.
Yes.
And accuracy, not important for now. First of all, he must improve his fluency. Speak all the words flow out of his mouth.